Good morning. Are you there, Jelster, Ezra, and Riel and Manal? Hope
Good
all of you
morning.
are there.
Yes,
Morning.
ma'am.
Yes. So,
One minute, let me on my camera. Ma'am, I'll
okay.
be back 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. So, last class, we were with what you remember?
We were
Yes,
with,
those kind of things like eco-awareness. How eco-aware you are, like that. Isn't it?
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, we are moving to one activity. And yesterday we discussed this also. What damages or the causes of the aftermaths of plastic that we use in our nature, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. And Manal, Jolster, and Andriel, are you there, right? Actually, I cannot see you. I don't know whether you are on or
Yeah,
off.
ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay. Maybe because
Yes, ma'am,
this.
I'll be back 1 minute.
Okay. So, in your textbook, there is one quiz. And the quiz is here. You can see it in your screen, and you are supposed to read it out. And okay, before actually this one, let me check. The question number one. Read the quiz on the opposite page of page and listen to Amaya and Jamil doing it. Note down Jamil's answers. So let's hear an audio. Okay, this is it. No, not this one, right? Let me check what it is.
Track 34.
Yes, that's it. Okay. So, are you ready to hear a quiz between Amaya and Jamil?
Yeah.
Hmm. So, listen carefully. I think you have your textbook. Just look at your textbook also and find out the answers of Jamil. Okay. And find out whether Jamil is A, B, or C. Mostly, Jamil stick on which answer. You have to check it out. Check it that one. Okay. So, we are moving. Listen this audio carefully.
How eco aware are you, Jamil? Shall we do this quiz? I'll ask you the questions first, okay?
Oh, all right.
Question 1. How many eco friendly products have you got? A. None. B. 1. C. More than one.
I've got one. I've got a solar powered charger for my mobile phone.
2.
Okay. What's the answer of Jamil for that one? A, B, or C? B. Yes. His answer is B. One. Okay. He got one eco-friendly product in his hand. Okay. Now we are moving to our second one.
You should spend a maximum of 2 minutes in the shower to save water. Do you agree? A. It's all very well saying that, but it's just not enough time. B. It depends. Sometimes, but not always. C. It makes sense because 2 minutes is more than enough.
B, probably. Yes, it depends. Sometimes, but not always.
Yes. What is the answer for that one of Jamil? B. And what is your answer for that one? Did you take more time to take shower?
Ma'am, I don't use the. I use like the bath, like
Hmm.
the like you fill the tub with water, then you put it like that.
Yes,
Ashwin.
mostly we all do like that. Yes, very good. Okay. So anyway, Jamil says that it depends sometimes, but not always. That is how Jamil answer for this question. Now moving to third one.
3. What is geothermal energy? A. Sorry, I've never heard of it. B. I think it's something to do with heating water, but I'm not sure what. C. It's energy produced from hot underground rocks.
Oh, I know that. We've done that at school. It's C.
4.
Okay, so you know that. Okay, what is geothermal energy? We produce energy from geothermal energies like volcanoes or like hot rocks underground. Okay, we already learned it in our second chapter. Did you remember?
Yeah.
Yes. Moving to fourth question.
In energy terms, what makes a car green? A. Its size. It's a very small car for just 2 people. B. I think it's something to do with the way you drive it. If you drive carefully, you use less fuel, so that makes it green. C. It doesn't produce much carbon dioxide because it's powered wholly or partly by electricity instead of petrol or diesel.
That's C. It doesn't produce much carbon dioxide.
5. Which
Okay, so you know what is green car? What is green car? Green car means the color car is green?
No.
No, then what is green car?
When you're like, for example, like electric car, you're not hurting the environment.
Yeah, that's it. We are not using fossil fuels. Okay, diesel or petrol. Instead of that, we are using simply electricity and it won't hurt environment. Okay, that is meant by green car. In the first, one of the first slides, I show you one picture. You remember car with the green.
Just like green leaves.
Yes, green creepers were the line. Actually, that is not, but it gives a kind of meaning for you. Yesterday we learned implied meaning. You studied implied meaning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of suggested meaning. You won't get the meaning directly, but it's a kind of suggested meaning. Green car. Okay. Now moving to fifth question.
of these applies to you? A. I don't always remember to switch the lights off when I leave a room. B. I usually put my laptop into sleep mode when I'm not using it. C. I switch things off when I'm not using them because I don't want to waste electricity.
Well, yes. I don't always remember to switch everything off, but I usually put my laptop into sleep mode when I'm not using it.
And finally,
Okay, what you usually do?
Put the laptop into the sleep.
Actually, I don't know. I turn off everything except turning off my laptop. I forget to do that.
Same, ma'am. I also actually close it directly and put
Hmm.
it into the sleep mode.
Okay, so whatever it is, all the gadgets we are using should be in switch off mode if we are not using it. Okay, that's the best thing to save our energy. Hmm? Okay, now moving to last one.
number 6. Is your home energy efficient? A. I haven't got a clue, I'm afraid. I've never thought about it. B. Yes, I think it's quite energy efficient, but the power isn't from renewable sources. C. Most of the power is supplied by solar cells and we're careful not to waste electricity.
Well, I think it's quite energy efficient, but the power isn't from renewable sources. Oh, but we've got lights in the garden that are solar powered.
OK, let's look at the analysis to see how you've done.
Okay, so that's it. 6 questions are there. So let's look the analysis of Jamil also. Okay.
Track 34.
Okay. Now can you tell me? Is Jamil mostly A, B, or C?
Uh,
is quite
B.
like B. You're quite eco, but there is room for improvement.
Yes, he is quite in B. You are quite eco-aware, but there is room for improvement. Yes, he told like that, isn't it? Need some kind of improvement for him, though he is in B. Okay. So that is the first activity. Now, in the next activity, you can see a box there. Can you see it? Actually, it's for correct pronunciation. Okay. Correct pronunciation, actually, it is for that one. So, in order to know the correct pronunciation, you have to listen that audio once more and try to what pronounce it correctly. Will you do it?
I tried to.
Okay, let's try. So, first one.
4.
How eco-aware are you, Jan?
Yes, first one is already there. Can you pronounce it?
Echo aware.
Echo aware.
Echo
Actually,
aware.
yes. Once more, let's hear.
Jamil? Shall we do this quiz?
Track 34.
How eco-aware are you?
Eco aware. Okay.
Eco aware.
Eco aware.
Eco-aware.
Okay.
Eco,
Okay.
eco aware.
You, Jamil? Shall we do this quiz? I'll ask you the questions first, okay?
Oh, all right.
Question 1. How many eco-friendly products?
Eco friendly.
Eco friendly.
Okay.
Eco-friendly.
Eco aware. Eco friendly. Okay.
Eco-friendly.
Actually, we cannot exactly pronounce it, but we can try. At least we can try. That's it.
Have you got? A. None. B. 1. C. More than 1.
I've got one. I've got a solar powered charger for my mobile phone.
2.
Yes. Third one is the solar powered. You heard it. Solar powered. Okay, solar powered. Just one smallest here.
1. C. More than 1.
I've got one. I've got a solar powered charger.
Okay, solar powered. Okay, solar
Solar
powered. Now next one, fourth
For
one.
my mobile phone.
Yes, he already told that. A solar powered charger, isn't it?
Yes.
Solar powered charger. Next one.
2. You should spend a maximum of 2 minutes in the shower to save water. Do you agree? A. It's all very well saying that, but it's just not enough time. B. It depends. Sometimes I've never heard of it. B. I think it's something to do with heating water, but I'm not sure what. C. It's energy produced.
B, probably. Yes, it depends. Sometimes, but not always.
3. What is geothermal energy?
Yes, geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. Okay,
Geothermal energy.
energy. Actually, we have to find out the words from this entire audio. So please listen, okay? Okay. Now next one is carbon dioxide, I think. Okay, that is question number 4.
A. Sorry, I've never heard of. 4. In energy terms, what makes a car green? A. Its size. It's a very small car for just 2 people. B. I think it's something to do with the way you drive it. If you drive carefully, you use less fuel, so that makes it green. C. It doesn't produce much carbon dioxide because it's.
Yes, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. You know the CO2 means carbon dioxide, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now next one is energy efficient. That is question number 6.
Powered wholly or partly by.
But I usually put my laptop into sleep mode when I'm not using it.
And finally, number 6. Is your home energy efficient?
Energy efficient. Okay, energy efficient.
Energy.
Yes. Well, two more is there.
Ma'am, should we write
I
this
haven't
down?
got a clue.
No. It's already in your notebook. Sorry, textbook. No need of writing. Okay.
I'm afraid. I've never thought about it. B. Yes, I think it's quite energy efficient, but the power isn't from renewable sources.
Yes. Renewable sources. Okay. Just hear it and and understand. Okay, this and this is how we can pronounce it. Only that much. Okay. One more is the
C. Most of the power is supplied by solar cells and wind.
yes solar cells. That much. Okay. Eco-aware, eco-friendly, solar powered. A solar powered charger, geothermal energy, carbon dioxide, CO2. The stress is on 2. Okay. CO2, carbon dioxide, energy efficient, renewable sources, and last one, solar cells.
Solar.
Okay, that much. So, 4, 8, 9, 10. 10 words are there. That's it. Actually, this is for you speaking. Okay. So just or you can what speak just one word each one of you. Manal, first word, please.
Eco-aware.
Okay. Jalsha, second one.
Ma'am. Ma'am?
Second one. Read second one. Eco aware. Then second one.
Ma'am, I don't have book, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Eco friendly. Okay. Eco friendly. Third one, Adriel.
Geothermal.
Geothermal. Azra.
A solar powered.
Manal.
CO2.
Okay. CO2. Then Andriel.
Then eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly. Then Azra.
Solar cells.
Solar cells. Manal.
Energy efficient.
Energy efficient. One more is there. Andriel.
One more.
Above solar
Ma'am,
cells.
ma'am, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide and renewable sources also there. Okay. Renewable
Oh,
sources.
okay, okay. I forgot
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Eco-friendly, solar power, a solar powered charger,
Mm.
geothermal energy,
Mm.
CO, carbon dioxide, energy efficient, renewable sources, solar cells.
Yes. CO2 is that. Andriel. Okay. CO2 because that is carbon dioxide. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Now I think when you heard this interview, you maybe focus on the what on the conversation. You in the first set of conversation or the in the starting of the sentence, you can find out some kind of expressions there. Like you have your textbook, right?
Yeah.
Jelster. Okay, just a minute. This is the one. Okay, Jelster, look at the screen. You can see the interview there. In the question number 2, look at the option A. There is an expression. What is it? It's all very well saying that. That is an expression. When we are giving an opinion, we talk like that. Okay. And second one, it depends. That is also an expression. See, it makes sense. Like that, we always tell an opinion. It's all very well saying that okay if we don't like something, we don't say directly also I don't like that. Instead of that, how we will say something, oh excuse me, or oh sorry, like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we always use such kinds of expressions. Those kinds of expression you can see in this interview also. It's all very well saying that it depends, it makes sense. In A, B, C, you can see that one in the first set of questions. When we come to question number 3, you can see in the option A, sorry. Can you see that? Sorry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. B, I think it is something to do. I think it is something to do. That is the second expression. Okay. Now, going to fourth question, option B. I think it is something to do. The same we already what read it in the former question. I think it is something to do with. Okay. Now, question number 5, option A. I don't always remember. I don't always remember.
Remember.
Okay. Now, question number B. I usually. Now, coming to question number 6. I haven't got a clue. Sorry, not that one. I'm afraid. Okay. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Okay. That's it. That kind of sentences, inside this kind of sentences, we use these types of what expressions, and it is known as idiomatic expression. What is it we call?
Geomatic expression.
Idiomatic expressions. Okay, idiomatic expressions. We always use this to tell our opinion about something. Hmm? Can you tell one of your opinion on our environment? Any opinion? I will give you some clues are here. It makes sense. It's all very well. Sorry, I'm afraid. I think.
What?
Mm,
I'm not able to remember. Say one more time.
Yeah. Can you tell one example using this idiomatic expressions?
Um,
it makes sense why the environment is not going so well.
Yes, of course we can tell like that. Oh, Manal, can you
not
tell
much
one example? Okay,
for
Henry will
you.
tell. What
Not
Henry?
all people are eco-friendly.
Okay, where is the expression? I need that expression. You can use before that sentence this expression. I think all people are not eco-friendly. Can't you?
I think that not all people are eco-friendly.
Yes, that's it. Very good. Okay, like that, we can tell our opinions using this kind of idiomatic expressions. Hmm?
Okay, I got one also.
Hmm.
I think paper bags are useful for the environment.
Very good. Very good. Very good. And using sorry, how can we tell?
Sorry. Sorry, I don't use paper bags.
Okay, or we can tell sorry, I don't use plastics. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now that is idiomatic expressions, and note it down in your textbook. Okay, you will be get questions for your exam. Okay, not only for exam, you have to learn it. Okay. Eco aware. Okay, this one already we read. Jalsian, can you read now? Is here.
Yeah, ma'am. The second one.
All words, all words.
Okay, ma'am. Echo aware.
No,
Echo
no, Jalster. Eco aware. That's how the correct pronunciation, isn't it?
eco aware.
Yeah.
Eco friendly.
Hmm.
Solar powered. A solar powered charger. Geothermal energy. Ma'am, what is a CO?
CO2.
CO2 The stress is on 2.
Hmm.
Carbon dioxide, energy efficient, renewable sources, solar cells.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, the third activity is you are supposed to write one question along with multiple what that options also four options. Okay, you can see three examples are already there, but options are not there. Can you read first question, Manal?
Oh,
It's in my screen. You can read from there.
yeah, yeah. It's when you study biology at
First
university.
of all, read the question. First of all, read the question.
Oh, yeah. What is biodiversity?
Hmm. Option A.
Option A, it's when you study biology at university, I think.
Next one. Option B.
It's something to do with nature.
Hmm.
Option C, I haven't got a clue. I'm afraid. I've never thought about it before.
Hmm.
Or option D, sorry, I've never heard of it.
Yes. Actually, this why this is here because you are supposed to write one question. First of all, write one question. Okay. Hmm? Then write four options, not simply four options. You have to write options by using those idiomatic expressions. Azra, can you find the idiomatic expressions from these four questions?
Yeah, the first one is I think,
Very good.
and the second one is it is something to do
Yes,
with.
it is something to do with. Okay, then.
And the C one is I'm afraid.
Yes, good. Last one.
The D one is sorry.
Sorry, very good. So, this one is a work for you. Just write two questions, and those two questions I need four options by using those idiomatic expressions. Okay, not from in your textbook there are three questions. Don't use that one. Okay, use your own question. One more question I have added here, and real read it.
How do you get to school every day?
Hmm.
A. In a car, of course. B. It depends. Sometimes by car or bicycle. C. I usually come by bicycle. D. By walking.
Okay, and real which are the idiomatic expressions the
Mm, B.
first one? No, in except D, the you can everyone I have added idiomatic expression in question number. Sorry, option A. Which is one? Which one is
A is also a geometric expression.
which one? Which one?
In a car, of course.
Of course, only of course. Okay, that is idiomatic expression. Now question number B.
Of course. But it also has that time.
Hmm. Question number sorry, option B.
Option B. It depends.
Good. Option
Sometimes.
C. Option C.
I usually
Yes, usually that much. Usually. Okay,
ride.
usually. Okay, now you got how you have to write a question along with four option.
Yeah.
Yes, this is a work for you. At least write one question with four option. In those four options, you have to add idiomatic expression also. Will you do it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, I will add it in your classroom so you can
And
upload
this
it.
is
Okay,
homework.
take one screenshot of your book and upload it.
Man, this is homework.
That one is homework. Okay, here is a question for you. What do you do in your daily life to be eco-friendly? Can you tell? Last three classes we
Ma'am,
discussed.
I'll tell.
Hmm. Okay.
Ma'am,
I
to be
d-
eco-friendly, ma'am, I don't know if I'm eco-friendly, but I'm just telling what we can do. To
Hmm.
be eco-friendly, you can start using cotton bags
Hmm.
or paper bags instead of
Hmm.
plastic. We can
Okay.
start using a bottle, like
Mm.
we can start using like steel
Mm.
glasses, not
Yes.
plastic.
Okay. Then.
Don't throw. We can stop throwing waste
Mm.
in like park areas or especially in the sea. Stop throwing
Good.
plastic in the sea.
Okay. Very good. Then anything else?
We can grow more trees, and we can stop. What is it? Use like using plastic. That's a very good. What else?
Okay.
What
Uh,
else? We can try to prevent the air being polluted.
yes. Then.
We can grow more plants.
Mm. Okay. Yes. Of course.
That's it.
Okay. Good. Good. Very good, Andriel. Manal, your turn.
We can reuse items like plastic for something else.
Mm. Okay. Good. Then.
And uh, instead, we shouldn't like throw the stuff. We can either like make a dustbin or something and put them at beaches so they don't throw it at the ocean.
Yes. Very good. Then.
Mm, yeah, I don't know much
Okay.
else.
Good. Very good, Manal. Azra, what's your opinion?
We can use electric cars or
Mm. Okay.
scooters instead of using petrol and
Mm.
fuel.
Mm. Yes. Then.
And we can, um, I don't know, ma'am, almost Andrew told everything.
Yeah. Of course. But you can also tell the same thing. No problem.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
fine.
the same thing as Andrew
It's
told.
okay. She can tell.
Okay. Jelster, what's your opinion? What do you
Ma'am,
do in your daily life?
we can clean the like
Ma'am, I am not eco-friendly. Okay? I don't know. I'm like 50% eco-friendly, but I just told the things we can
Yes.
be.
Yes. Me also like that. But we can, at least we can discuss here, right?
Yeah.
But whatever it is, but we never throw anything to the outside or to the ocean, right? We
No, no.
always put everything in the spin. At least we can do that habit. We can make it that as a habit.
Man,
Okay.
whenever I eat something, right, when I come back to Lulu, there's a corridor, so I'll just throw the plastic there,
Mm,
then I'll just leave it.
yes. Okay. And here is one more question. We know that being eco-friendly is not that much easy. Is that an easy task?
No.
No, it's very
No, man,
difficult,
of
isn't
course
it?
not.
So, what are difficulties for you in being totally eco-friendly?
Ma'am, because the thing is, we are used to what we are, like what we are doing, and
Mm,
also using clothing bags is not like like we can use it, but like paper bags and all, but it will cost an extra and all.
yes,
That is also
yes,
difficulty.
and also the availability. Think of the availability of those kind of things. Which one is what very easy to hold or to get very easily? Plastic items, right?
Yeah,
Yes. All types of what these kinds of plastic things are very easy to get,
the
but
best thing that we can do is not throw it at the sea or throw it at the
yes,
plant.
yes, but whatever it is, too very difficult for us to change to that one. Okay,
You
that's
know,
the
in a
problem.
parking lot, right, I saw this whole like petrol in the ground. I don't know if it's
Mm,
petrol or something, but it's like gas in the ground.
okay.
And ma'am, like cats will come there in that parking lot, so it's harmful for them.
Yes, their fur, isn't their fur will be completely good in that petrol or like that thing, right? So, are you a pet lover?
Yes, sir. I
What
actually, ma'am, I used to have a rabbit.
What about Manal, Azra, Jersey? Are you a pet lover? Do you have pet in your home?
Ma'am, I used to have.
I
I
used to
actually
have
have
a
a rabbit.
parrot.
Parrot. Okay.
In India, I used to have a small cat named Kittu,
Mm,
but she died now.
okay. Jersey, do you have a pet in your home?
Oh, ma'am, I have
No,
birds at
not
my house. I
actually.
have birds at my house. I have birds.
I was
Okay.
having ducks and hens, ma'am, but nothing now.
Nothing now. Okay. Actually, Andriel, you are from Alapura, right?
Yeah.
And Manal, you are from
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Azra,
From Trishur.
Trishur,
Ma'am,
and
I
Jules.
actually have a dog in India. It's basically my grandma's dog, but it's also my dog.
Jersey, you are from
I am from Thrissur, ma'am.
Trishur. Okay. That's it. Okay. Please
Ma'am,
wait,
most
okay?
people are when I see the most either from Malappuram or Trishur.
Most of them are from. Okay.
Malpuram.
Malappuram.
Malappuram. I don't know
Yes.
how to pronounce Malayalam words.
This will be okay when you come here. Okay. Oh.
Ma'am, you are living in India.
We are.
You are living in India.
Who am?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I'm living in India.
Oh, I thought you were living in UAE only.
Hey, no, no, no.
So, ma'am, you won't be coming for the meetups or anything, right?
No, no, I won't be coming.
Ma'am, so our chapter is finished.
Yes, chapter is finished. Will you be please wait? Let me take next slide. Okay. I don't know why it's not coming. Please wait. Okay. Okay. Is it okay for you? Can you see the new slide now?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. The same unit, but chapter is different. Okay. It is the fourth chapter
About water?
about water. Yes. As our unit is completely about natural resources, I remember first chapter we learned what? Any idea?
Natural
And
paradise.
Yes, natural paradise. In that there is a name of one country. You remember which country is that?
Costa Rica.
Yes, Costa Rica, one of the beautiful countries in the world. Okay, and they have lots of cloud forests. And you remember that what bird? What is the name of that bird? Like
What?
parrot?
Just like move something.
Ah, mot, isn't it?
Yeah, moth.
And how its tail looks.
it
Like
looks like
Ma'am,
Batman.
can I talk on my
Yes.
tennis
charger,
racket.
ma'am?
Yeah, Julcia. It's like a badminton racket, isn't it? Okay, so in that we learn those Costa Rica and everything. Then third chapter, how to generate energy, different types of energies, isn't it? Sorry, in second chapter, isn't it? Which are the energies like renewable,
Hydro.
non-renewable? Ah, yes, hydro. Then
Hydroelectric wind
Germ-
power.
mm,
Geothermal energy
geothermal.
Geothermal power.
Yes, then
and
Uh,
zero carbon. Something like
zero carbon.
fossil
Yes,
fuels.
fossil fuels. Yes, those things in second chapter.
Mm,
In the last chapter we learned about being eco aware, isn't it? How important it is being eco aware. At least we can do something for our nature, like that. I think like those things we learned last three chapters, and we are moving to our fourth chapter. And can you tell me the answer for that first question? What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by water? Can you tell me?
72.
Yes, 72 or something like. Yes.
Yeah.
Something like that. I do think that much. So 72% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. And another question is why does the ocean appear blue in color?
It is because of the reflection of the sky, something like that. We have learned in English
Hmm.
only.
Okay. And it has a name also, right?
I don't remember.
Yes, some kind of,
Reflection.
yes, reflection. Yes, reflection. But there is a name for it, I think so, but I forgot it. Anybody know? Andrea know the answer?
Mm, ma'am, scat.
Any idea?
No.
Actually,
Scatter.
why it is the water absorb colors in the what from the light spectrum, like that, something like that.
That
Reflection, a
is
kind of reflection. Okay. There are light spectrum, okay. Different colors or spectrums are there. So because of that reflection like that, always our ocean is blue in color. Yes. This is the map. Did you see a globe?
Yeah.
Yes. What's the color of a globe?
It's like
green and
green,
like Earth.
blue.
Ah, like Earth is blue, isn't it?
Yeah,
Or blue, a bluish green or greenish blue, like that. And why are maps and globes all looks blue in color? Why?
Because the blue
because
represents the
of
water.
water.
Yes, because 72 percentage of our Earth belongs to water, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
complete. You can see. You can look at this what map in your screen. There are lots of water, isn't it? In between, how many oceans we have?
Um, we have almost three.
Pacific Ocean, then
We have
Atlantic and Indian Ocean.
yes, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, then
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific, Atlantic, Indian. One more is there.
uh,
Not one more, two more is there.
oh,
Arctic Ocean
Arctic
Oh yeah,
Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
and Antarctica is also there, right?
Uh,
Antarctica, Arctic Ocean.
Antarctica is a continent, isn't it? No. Okay, so four oceans we have: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic. You can see the uh, in uh, in between North America and South America there is Pacific Ocean. Then in between South America and Africa, Atlantic. In between Africa and Australia, Indian. And in the northern part we have Arctic. Okay. You visited Antarctic or like that? Any or South or North Pole? Anybody visited?
No,
No. Okay. Me too didn't visit, but I think it's so interesting though. And which is our continent?
India.
Continent. Yes, our country is
Oh,
India.
Asia, Asia.
Asia. Yes, Asia. Okay, we are in Asia. Yes. Okay. And how many continents we have?
7.
Seven continents. Yes, read it, Azra.
Asia,
Mm,
Australia,
mm,
Africa,
mm,
Europe,
mm,
South America,
mm.
North America.
Yes. One, two, three, four, five, six, and Antarctic also. Okay, seven.
Antarctica.
Seven. It's okay. So as you know, as you see in this screen, our Earth is completely filled up with water. Okay, that is why when we look from when we look at our globe or what a map, most of the part is colored with blue color. 72% is water. That is why. And is this water drinkable for us? Is this all 72% of water drinkable?
No.
No. No, they are not exact pure water. Okay. How many percentage of water we can drink? Among this 72 percentage of water, how many percentage of water we can drink?
Only a few percentage.
Only a few percentage, 2.3 percentage. Okay. It's only 2.3 percentage. That much only we can drink. Okay. All other water is
Like
uh,
too
s-
salty.
too salty or polluted water. We cannot drink it. Like as we have this much oceans, more of the water is in salty water.
Yeah.
So, okay, just a minute. Yes. Okay. Research chapter 5.4, Water for Life. Can we live without water?
No.
No.
How many days we can
Oh,
live without water?
Like
Yes.
3 days maximum.
3 days maximum. I don't think we can live for 3 days. Think about the fasting.
1 day or 2 day.
Yes, 1.5 days. After that, we will be in pathetic condition, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, we cannot move. Okay, we'll be tired and it's very horrible situation if we didn't get water. Water is elixir of our life, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Andrea and Jelster, turn on your video.
My video is having so much trouble. I'm trying to.
Jelster, you told me that you are going to take a charger, right? And where were you?
Ma'am, actually, I have not drink water since morning. It's already been 1 hour.
Why don't you drink a water? Why don't you drink?
Ma'am,
Because
I don't eat my breakfast after breakfast or anything after class only.
just after you wake up, drink at least one glass or at least three gulp of water. Okay, it is good for your health, for
I
your
know, but
skin.
I just want to stay in one position. I'm too lazy to get up. But at the same time, my stomach is hurting. So I want to go get something. But at the
Keep
same time, I'm very lazy.
keep a bottle nearby your bed. Then you don't feel so lazy to take that much water.
Ma'am, I used to do that, but now I don't have that even. I don't know why.
Okay, read the question, Manal.
Okay.
What are the main sources of water?
Yes, what are the main sources of water? What will be the answer for that?
Like the ocean,
Ocean is the then.
Rain.
Rain, very good. Then
Mm,
lakes,
lakes, then
rivers.
rivers.
Yeah,
So,
that's like
An important one you miss.
drinking water.
No, in our country or in all houses behind our home or in front of our home, there is
Well.
something. Yes, well,
oh
Manal, you know,
my god, ma'am. And
I don't know Manal in your
ma'am, you
state
know
how
how
is
they
it?
make clean water? Because of
What unreal?
filtration.
Filtration. Yes, Manal, your what state? Telangana or what Andhra?
hmm, Telangana, right?
I think Telangana. Okay, so I don't know about your what area, but in our Kerala, in every home there will be one well. It
Yeah,
is compulsory in near to our what backside or it's
not near to my house, ma'am. I have a well like in my house, like not in
mm,
my house. Like it's like a huge area,
yes,
like a
yes,
like a in the backyard. There's a well.
yes, backyard. And Manal, you have that one in your area? You remember anything
Not
like that?
my area. Here I don't have.
Not there in your state,
Mm,
in your
maybe
hometown.
there is some homes. Some homes.
Somehow it is not compulsory, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not compulsory.
Yes, but in here it's compulsory. Maybe because we will get water when we dig up there. Okay, that's why. Okay, so we told different sources of water are the rainwater, ocean, sea, wind, lake, well, ponds are there, isn't it?
Yeah, pond.
Yes, ponds are there like that. Okay, how do we use water in our daily life? For what all purposes we use?
Washing hands, showering,
Mm,
bathing,
mm,
drinking.
Washing clothes, drinking,
yes, yes. Then
almost everything, I think.
almost
Yeah.
everything. Yes, water is that much important for us, isn't it? Yes. How important is water in our lives? You already told that.
Ma'am, I'll come back right now, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Ah, actually, without water, we cannot live. Okay,
We
it's
cannot
very
cook at all,
important.
ma'am. How are we supposed to shower? How are we supposed to drink water when we're thirsty? How are we supposed to get ice?
Cook and eat.
Mm, yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
one more source of water, gas.
yes. How?
Ma'am, gas can turn into liquid.
Ah, okay. You mean like evaporation like that?
Yes, yes.
Oh, then
Oh,
ice can also be like that, right?
yes. Ice can
Oh,
melt,
yeah.
melt, melt.
Solid.
Okay. Do you think we use water carefully or do we waste a lot? What is your
We
opinion?
waste a lot.
We
Waste a
waste
lot.
a lot. Yes. We waste a lot, of course.
Ma'am, I actually miss Kerala.
Hmm.
I want to go back to Kerala.
Like when you come, Manal, come to Kerala, you can see lot of water resources in Kerala.
In Kerala, usually they actually save waters in homes because sometimes there will be no water.
Yes, in summer season, it
Ma'am,
is,
in Kerala, it's the most rainiest season.
yes, in almost all season we will get rain.
Yeah. Even
Hmm.
in summer,
Yes, we get summer season also, summer rain. Yes.
so much rain.
But whatever it is, how much rain we are getting, the problem with us is that we are not what saving those water. Rain harvesting is not here. Not properly we are doing. That is why in summer season we are in that much trouble because we are not saving those water in our we can have a pond or like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we can save those water for our summer, but we don't save it and everything every all water will come and it just go to another field or something like that or it will what absorb to the underground and in summer season we just look oh my god what to do for water actually with that much lot of water that's the condition of our Kerala. Okay, okay, so that's it. So I think let's take the rest of the part next class. I gave an introduction to our next chapter. Okay. We are going to take water, the importance of water, how we can save our water. Okay, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
So we will see tomorrow. And I don't know whether we will see tomorrow like that because maybe Hanin ma'am want my
Ma'am, are
English
we
class of
having
tomorrow.
Arabic today or you're taking?
No, I'm not taking, and I don't know your timetable or anything. Okay, I think Ralia ma'am will come and take.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
bye. See you next class.